I want to share with you a product doing over $290,000 per month in sales on Amazon with low competition. We're going to do a complete profit breakdown. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you exactly how I found this product. So the product is this. It's a dog hoodie. Okay, so it sells for 26 bucks, making over $290,000 per month. So how do we know that there's not a lot of competition around it? Well, I just typed in the keyword term that we want to rank for on Amazon, and I pop open Jungle Scout, which is the software that I use to help me find profitable products. And in the top right, there's something called the opportunity score, which it says there's high demand and low competition. And you can see all the other competitors' listings as well and how much money they're actually generating. Okay, so we have the product. We know there's not a lot of saturation around it. We know there's people spending a ton of money on this product because, let's face it, people love their pets. These are like their children. So to buy something cute and funny like this, people buy it all day long. So how do we make money with this? So if we go over to Alibaba, we could just type in dog hoodie, and I already found a product that we could source that's almost identical, and you can get this for less than 90 cents per unit. And I'm sure even the higher, the bigger your orders are, the lower this price is gonna be. Okay, so we have the product, we have a supplier for it, we can start contacting them, start ordering the product. How much profit can we make? Okay, so if I go to Amazon's revenue calculator, you can get to this page by just searching Amazon FBA revenue calculator. Now we want to enter in either the UPC code or the SKU or the ASIN. So I'm just gonna grab the ASIN down here, and the ASIN, all it is it's a unique identifier like a UPC code to Amazon. So I just grabbed it down here in the left, and I'm gonna paste it in there, click search. Now it's going to pull up all the size, the weight, the price, all the Amazon fees related to this product. So we know how much money we're going to walk away with. Because if you don't know what you're paying Amazon, you're just taking a shot in the dark, and you could be potentially losing money. So before we really clarify how much money we're going to make, I need you to pay attention to something where there's Amazon's fulfillment and your fulfillment. I'm going to X out your fulfillment. Your fulfillment means that you're simply ordering these products in bulk, right, that we talked about, and shipping them out, listing them on Amazon and shipping them out yourself, right? You're going to ship them out of your garage. You're going to go to UPS, the post office. You're going to create the packaging, deliver it in the mail, tape up the packaging, like all that stuff. That is a very time-consuming process. We want to avoid that, and we want to focus on Amazon's fulfillment. This is where Amazon, we tap into their resources, we tap into their warehousing, we tap into their workers, and we pay them a fee to pick, pack, and ship your product anytime it sells. We pay them for it, but it allows for us to scale a business really, really easily, really hands-off, almost passively. I'm not going to say completely passive, but you're not going to be the one picking and packing and shipping and dealing with customer service, dealing with returns and all of that stuff. So we're going to only focus on this side of Amazon fulfillment. So here we have the item price, sells for 26 bucks. We have Amazon fees, the fulfillment costs, like I told you before, where Amazon does all of it, the storage cost, the inbounding cost, shipping it into Amazon. Now we have our cost of goods sold. We know we can buy it for around 86 cents. Then let's say we have to add another 50 cents for shipping to us. Let's say it's $1.30 per unit total. We want to see how much we're actually going to make. So I'm going to change the estimated sales to just 1. And we can see that we can make a 54% profit margin, or about $14.20 per unit per sale. And this listing itself is selling 450 units a day. Imagine that times 14 bucks profit each unit. Pretty incredible. So let's go over how I found this product and how you can find it as well. Before we do that though, if you want to learn more about how to make money on Amazon, how to find products, how to sell products, click the link in the description or in the comments below. It's going to share with you exactly how you can do that, how you can start making money just like this on Amazon. So how did I find this product? So I'm going to just X out of Jungle Scout and I like to start my product research with a main keyword. For example, this one, I just started with dog. And Amazon is like a search engine for products, right? So start with dog and then press space. And then Amazon autofills all of these searches that people are looking for, the products that people are looking for. So we could search dog harness, all right? And then you might want to press another space and see what else pops up, right? When Amazon is very smart, they know what people are searching for. So use this to your advantage, right? Dog harness, medium size for dogs, large dogs. Dog harness, no pull, right? Let's click on that, see what happens. We will search that product itself. Now I'll just pop open Jungle Scout and see if there's any opportunity with this type of product. And the opportunity score is going to pop up. So now we can see that there's high demand with high competition, meaning we don't want to sell it. We don't want to focus on this product anymore, and we need to move on. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you want to learn more about Amazon, click the link in the description below. It'll help you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.